G'day, what a treat it was to be with you all. And one of the things that we talked about in our session was having an accountability partner. You may recall that I said that public accountability drives private accountability. Remember, when we tell someone about the goals that we have, we're much more likely to achieve them. And I challenged you to reach out to your accountability partner. So, my question is, have you done it? Have you done what you said you would do? If not, now's your gentle reminder to reconnect with the person that you were sharing with. What was something you were going to do differently as a result of the session we had together? Now, I also would love you to have a quick tele coffee with them. Remember, a tele coffee is where you make a coffee and they make a coffee and you talk on the telephone. It doesn't have to take any more than 15 minutes. I do tele cocktails on a Friday. They are definitely my favorite. If we're not connected on social media, you can follow my adventures on Instagram most days, and LinkedIn is a great place for us to stay connected. If you'd like to know more about our luxury mindset research, you can go to the website Luxury is a Mindset. It was so much fun to spend time with you, and if I can help you in any way, come and find me, Neen at neenjames.com, or reach out on social media.